Getting lots of views consistently, it is not something that is done out of luck. It is a skill that is learned. Like take a look at this creator who created a new channel and built up his channel with just 5 videos, getting on average 1 million views per video. Like what I'm about to share with you in this video, I have also used the same strategy to go from getting 30 to 50 views per video to getting 300 to 500 views per video. Some videos I got thousands of views. So it is a simple strategy that has the potential to blow up your channel. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what this simple strategy is and how you can apply it to your own channel, no matter your niche or audience size. And as a bonus, I will show you the exact step I use to revive an old video of mine that stopped getting views. Now, before I tell you what this one strategy is, I would like to destroy some myths people have on how to go viral. So, myth number one, people think that for you to go viral, you need to do a lot of SEOs, but it is not entirely true. Like, take a look at this channel, Far From Weak. He grew his channel from 0 to 1 million subscribers in 10 months, and he used little or no SEOs. Like, he writes almost nothing in his description. And also, here is why SEOs is not really that important. You see, long ago, YouTube was mostly seen as a search engine. So people created content to help people solve problems. And due to this, most of the views people were getting were coming from YouTube search. But recently, YouTube is no longer just a search engine. YouTube is also an entertainment platform. And according to what I have seen so far from my channel and from other creators, most views are coming from suggested videos and browse feature. So due to this, SEO is not that really important. What is important is your title and thumbnail. So myth number two, people think that you need a better camera to get lots of views. But this is not the truth, because take a look at my own very video that got thousands of views. You can literally tell that the camera quality is not that all good. Besides, these days, a lot of phones are coming with good camera quality, so we don't really need a camera. Now, the third myth is people think that you need better editing to get lots of views. But again, this is not entirely true. Like, take a look at this creator who grew his channel from 0 to almost 200k subscribers in just 8 months. Like, he uses just basic editing, and even my video that blew up, it was basic editing. There was no sound effects, motion graphics, cool music, and all this. Now, I don't mean that these things can't help you grow your channel. Of course, they can help you grow your channel, and if you have the means to do so, I advise you do so. But you see, they are not really important. Yeah, they shouldn't be your priority. Now, to what really gets you views. So, what really gets you views is a good video idea. To break this further into the simplest form, create content that the audience wants and not what you want to create. Yeah, you see, we all have a lot of video ideas, but what separates a video idea from a good video idea is whether the audience will want to watch it. So, to be honest with you, there are a lot of factors that go into getting lots of views or getting a viral video, but most of these factors are linked to whether the audience likes the video or not. Because when you upload a video and the audience like it, they will watch almost the entire video, giving you a good audience retention. When they like it, they are going to like the video, they will comment, and then they will also share the video. Yeah, like you see where I'm going. So these things, when combined, will tell the YouTube algorithm that people love your content, and this will make YouTube to push it to more people. So now the question is, how do I get good video ideas? How do I create what the audience really want to watch? And surprisingly enough, the answers are simple. So, but before that, I'm going to remind you of the bonus I promised earlier. So it helped me revive one of my old videos that was no longer performing. So, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. So now, how do you get good video ideas that the audience really want to watch? So personally, I know of only three ways. So the first one is by using your channel. So study your channel. Which of your videos has the highest view? Check the audience retention. Is the audience retention showing that people liked the video? If yes, try to recreate the video or try to create something similar. So look at this creator, Dan the creator. If you look carefully, all his most popular videos are similar. Also, when I checked my YouTube analytics, I saw that my Christian audience were mostly interested in content that talks about demons, witchcraft, hell, and so on. So I started making content about those stuff, and my views increased. And the second way is by checking creators in your niche. So see what they are doing that is getting them lots of views. Now don't be shy to copy other creators. On my channel, this video over here that performed more than average is actually a copy of this video, which is from another creator. So don't be shy to copy other creators. Like this is actually a cheat code that is very legal. Yeah. And then also when you are studying creators in your niche, don't just look for videos that perform very well. Also look for patterns of content that perform very well. When I mean by pattern, like for example, I've noticed that in this niche, YouTube niche, I've noticed that content that offers quick results perform very well. So like for example, you have content like how to get 1000 subscribers in 7 days, how to get 4000 watch hours in 30 days. Yeah, this content, this pattern of content perform very well. Content that offers quick result. So with this idea, I can decide to create a video like that. And the third way to get good video ideas is by going with trends. So whenever there's a trend in your niche, it means that the audience really like those kind of content, and it will be very bad for you if you don't partake in it. Yeah, this one I don't want to go much into it. Like I hope you understand this one. Go by trends. Now, lastly, to the bonus I promised earlier that helped me revive one of my old videos that wasn't performing well. So this bonus is no other than use end screens. So when people finish watching your content, that is your videos, and you're not offering them another video from your own channel, they are going to leave your channel and go to somebody else's channel. And you and I know that we don't want that. So you need to offer them another video from your channel. And when they are done, you offer them another one. When they are done, you offer them another. Like keep the circle going. So you see, this will keep the audience glued to your channel. And this will also give you lots of views. So, but hold on for a second. You see, this end screen stuff, people don't really know how to use it. So I'm going to teach you the right way to use it in less than a minute. So now I've shown you how to get lots of views or like how to get a viral video. And if I'm correct, if you put all these things into practice, your next video might go viral. And when it does, you'll be happy, you'll be excited. But then tension comes in. Yeah, because you'll be wondering, what am I going to do next? So that's why in this video over here, I listed down a couple of things you should do if you suddenly go viral. So check it out.